In this video, I am going to show you how easy it is to install the SnapNrack TopSpeed solar panel roof mount kit. I am using this piece of OSB with two pieces of lumber underneath representing the roof. I will be installing only one solar panel, but you can use the same procedure to install as many as you want. I began by installing one roof mount kit on one side. Before installing the roof mount kit, don't forget to put sealant in this area to keep water out. Then I install my second roof mount kit. The solar panel I will be installing have a thickness of 30 mm. I am installing a skirt spacer of 30 mm to install the universal skirt later. If you don't have plan to install the universal skirt, you don't need the skirt spacer. This is what the skirt spacer should look like after it is installed. Although I am only installing one solar panel, I'm putting a third one in between just for demonstration. You can think of the roof mount kit on each edge of the OSB as the corner of your roof. Now I am going to set each roof mount kit on each side of the OSB. You can adjust the height of each roof mount kit. I'm setting each corner roof mount kit to the same height. There are lines on them that make it really easy to adjust to the same height. Now I am going to pull a line from end to end to make the roof mount kit in the middle the same height as the other one. In your case, you might have more than one in the middle. Now, using the line, I am going to adjust the middle roof mount to the same height as the other one. It is a good idea to pull a line from end to end, then adjust the roof mount in the middle because your roof might not be completely straight. Then I remove the line preparing for the universal skirt. The universal skirt have two functions. It gives it a finished look. It also provides grounding from side to side. After installing the universal skirt, there should be some play, allowing some room when installing the solar panel. The next step is to install two roof mount kits on top of the solar panel. After installing the roof mount kit to the solar panel, don't forget to apply sealant before fastening it down. Place it to the front mount, then lay it in place. Now I can fasten down the universal skirt and the solar panel at the same time. Then screw down the roof mount kit. Here's a better angle of what I was doing. You can also adjust the height of the roof mount kit if it's necessary. This is what it looks like after everything is done. If you decide not to use the universal skirt, you're gonna have to find an alternative way to ground the panel from side to side. You do get ground from top to bottom, but you do not get it from side to side. Again, I need two roof mounts at the bottom. I did 3 for the demonstration. The right spacer is a must for the proper installation for the universal skirt. If you have a column of solar panel going up and down, you do not need any extra material for grounding. But if you have a row going side to side, you require this right here along with the universal skirt. It's a solar panel roof clamp. It also requires a spacer for the universal skirt. It goes between two solar panels and the universal skirt. I only have one solar panel for this demonstration, but this is how you would install it. Overall, I think the SnapNrack TopSpeed solar panel roof mount kit is an easy and fast way to install solar panel. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comment below. I will leave the solar equipment link in the description below. Consider using them if you're in the market for solar equipment. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.